Can I give more than one Qurbani?
As we said, you could make more Qurbani, more than one, as long as it is not mubaha, not showing off. For the mubaha, at the time of Umar al-Khattab radiallahu anhu wa arda, sorry, at the time of Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu wa arda, they themselves did not slaughter in the musalla of the Eid. You know, the etiquette, this is something as well. If your imam is the one who leads you the prayer, the one who is the mayor of the city, he makes his udhiyah in the place where he makes his prayer, you're not supposed to make your udhiyah until he makes the udhiyah. Not just after Salat al-Eid, after his own udhiyah. So you have to wait for him until he makes the udhiyah. So if you are not coming to the prayer of the Eid, you cannot slaughter before his slaughtering. So you have to wait for him until he's slaughtered. And this is what the Prophet ﷺ had done when he slaughtered, everybody slaughtered. Number two, that when this, what was the question, sir? You said to me?
Two, more than one.
No, just the last question, you asked me the question. You said to me what? Just read the question again. No, the question you said to me. The last question, what was the last question you read? Come on. It's not the Prophet, there's another question before it.
More than one Qurbani, that was the...
More than one Qurbani?
Yeah.
Yes. Abu Bakr radiallahu an, that's what I just said to you, that's not the Prophet, more than one Qurbani. The Prophet, Abu Bakr radiallahu an, at his time, he did not slaughter openly. The reason behind this is because there was mubaha. There was at this time people starting slaughtering to say, I've slaughtered 2, I've slaughtered 3, I slaughtered a camel, slaughtered a cow. So because of that, that's why they did not slaughter openly. We cannot take this incident to say that the udhiyah is not wajibah. This is basically the conflict between some of the scholars regarding is it udhiyah is compulsory, not compulsory. From those proofs that they bring about that the udhiyah is not compulsory, that at the time of Abu Bakr they did not slaughter, they did not make udhiyah, and Umar al-Khattab as well. But we say they did not slaughter openly. Who told you they did not slaughter at all? They did not slaughter openly because at his time there was mubaha, there was boasting about the slaughtering. Fadal.